Academy. I'm your host, Mr. Cozmik. This is August the 22nd, 2023. And you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to keep on trading, man. I see what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to keep on trading because, see, everybody think it's a game. It's not a game out here, man. It's really not a game. You know what I'm saying? I mean, a lot of these people want to show and tell you and all this shit by then. Listen, man, let me see you trading. It's live. Here we go. We live, baby. Shit, hold on. It's a SPY call. A SPY put, as a matter of fact. A SPY put. I want y'all to see. That's a SPY put up there, right? Okay. Here it is. I bought a SPY put at 441. I said that I believed that SPY was going to fall. I looked at the charts. This is what the charts look like. That's for the week. This for the day. Then I expanded the chart. I'm going to teach y'all how to trade. You know what I'm saying? They going to teach you how to stun. I'm going to teach you how to trade. Okay? So this is the SPY. I'm going to show you how you find out. Well, as you know, SPY is an ETF that covers a whole bunch of stuff, over 500 things. Look at it. Look what's happening. Look what's happening. See, when you study this game, you know what's gonna pop. Look at this. Look at that. See that? See volume rising right there. RSI going down. MACD crossing over. Look at that. The 20's about to cross over to 50. Come on, man. You see the 20 crossing over to 50 right there? Come on, man. 20 crossing over to 50 right there. Big move, big shit. The motherfucking candles are right here. They already below both moving averages. They below both moving averages, okay? That's down signal. Big time down signal. And once you see that, you see the candles don't already cross. You see the 20 is crossing the 50. This big down signal. Big old down, okay? So I jumped in. As soon I saw it cross, and I jumped in. This is trading 101. Come fuck with me. This trading 101. There's nothing. This is easy money. And to be honest with you, again, like I said on my last one, and I put it in a closing order because it looked like it's getting close to want to close. You can see where I'm at. Look, I told you daily. If you make $50, that's $250 a week. That's $1,000 a month. I told you pay your rent. You don't know. I don't know what's about to happen. But I tell you what, when we get close to 50, I'm closing it. And I already put in a sell order to buy it back. See, I sold it first, and now I'm buying it back. What am I buying it? Hold on, let me see something. Whoa. Look at that, 801. We up $40. See what I'm saying? Okay, so here we go. I'm actually finna close. I told y'all, man. This is just what we do. It's $7.92. I bought it at $7.62. How much it cost me? $762. What's the market? $792. That's $30 gain right there, right? 62 to 92. Am I doing the math right? Huh? Okay. Bullshit about nothing, man. $30, $35 today. Should I walk? I could or I could not. I feel like it's gonna go higher. This is how sometimes I look. There it is right there. You can see. Look, that's August 18. It was at 11. Right now, it's at 8. Let's go for the day. Well, I can't really see it on the day, but on this chart, the last bounce is probably about 8 something. Yeah. So let's go. That's it. I'm gone. I bought it at $762. I'm selling it at $800. That's a $38 profit right there. This is okay. So that y'all know, we trade over here. I don't know what nobody else do. Is it big money? No, it's not about big money. It's about and trust me, you can scale this. You only have to. This is just one contract. If you did 10, that'd be $400. If you got $7,000 you want to spend on that, by all means, do it. And you don't even have to go that high if you're doing 10 contracts. You see what I'm saying? Look at this. This can tell you, look at the limit price. That's telling where the buyers and sellers are at right there. That's the price action. That's people, buyers and sellers right there. I'm finna get the hell out. 796. I'm good. Oh shit, my fault. Hold on. What did I do? Opposite. I gotta sell. Sell at 790. Look, 792. High likely at 790. Why not? I could. Oh shit! I gotta cancel the other order. My fault, y'all. See, there's my order right there. I gotta cancel that order. I had protection. I had it. If it dropped $50, it was gonna close, and if it gained $50, it was gonna close. Always put in your protection, man. No matter what. There's not a negotiation. That's not something we play with. You know, this could have dropped through the floor at any given time. So, you know, I had put in my protection. You know, you can see where my stop before it disappears. There was my stop at 7. And there was my limit at 792. That tell you right there what I was planning to do. I did it beforehand. I had already said, here's my date if you don't believe it. It's 10 o'clock where I'm at. I'm in Asia, but it's in the morning over there in the States. Okay, this is what we do. We train. I just came from the gym. We travel. I'm in Asia and we trade. God damn it, this is the fuck we do. Bullshit ain't about nothing. Play with somebody else, man. You know, it's not a big deal. We ain't got to do a whole lot of money. All we need is enough money every day. Enough money every day. You feel me? 801. I'm gonna go. I bought it. I'm selling it. I mean, I could put it at. I'm good, man. I'm really good. Minimum credit, 797, 798. I could put it at 800 and get $2 more, but 799. Let's see what it do. Filled, 799. Now it's telling me day trade pattern is 204. I think they raised it. I think they give me an extra day. Anyway, I understand. And this is the reason why. See, this is called a pattern day trade rule. See, yesterday I filmed a trade, and today I did another trade because I'm doing day trading, right? So they want to let you know, hey, Playboy, you do that 2 more times before August 28th, and you're going to get flagged, which means they'll shut my account down for 90 days. Which means if that ever happened, I'll take my money out of this account and go put it something in TD Ameritrade. But anyway, y'all, Mr. Cozmik Trading Academy, we filled another day of trade, and you can see the numbers. Look at us going down right at the right time. You see? We don't play no games, man. Look at it. Look at what's happening. See? I got out at 800. I knew what the number is. I looked at what it is. I looked at my charts. I saw that's what it's bouncing off of, the 8. I made sure I put it shy of the 8. And now it's going back down. Because the other traders see the same thing. You don't try to get more out of it than what it is, man. Don't try to get blood out of a turnip. You know what I'm saying? You get out, you get in before them, and you get out before them. That's the trick. That's what we do at Cozmik Trading Academy. We get in before they get in. We ready. And we get out. They trying to get all the money on the table. Now they going to lose it all. You see what I'm saying? Look at the number falling. Just look at it. Watch. You see what I'm saying? They lose the money. Now, I believe it's going to keep going down. So I believe it's going to reverse. And they'll eventually get that money back if they hold it a little bit longer. But why? We ain't in the game of holding and playing games. We in the game of getting money and getting gone. So again, this is scalable. You know what I'm saying? I did a $700 trade. I didn't have to go out to September 22nd. You know why I go out a month, y'all? You know why I go out a month? Let me explain something to you. The reason why I'm doing this, going out a month, when I don't even have to do that. Let me show you something. Here's SPY, right? That trade that I just did was for September 22nd. That's a month out. Because one thing I've learned about SPY, and again, once you study, you should only be using maybe 2 or 3 that you're trading on all the time. You know, that's how you know what thing is going to do. I've been trading for 6 years. I know how SPY operates. SPY will go into a trend or go into a trading sideways. Like, look at here. You see this? This is damn near trading sideways. Okay? You see this? This is trading sideways. You see this? That's trading up. You see this? That's trading up. That's up. That's up. And this is sideways, right? How long? Now, let's look at it. How long did it hold a sideways trade? Let's get the, can we get the, oh, this is daily. Well, that's today. Let's go out. Let's go out for the year. This is let's look at a rise, for it to rise. June 9th, and it went all the way up. It kept going to June 15th, right? Okay, so let's just say here, June 15th, dropping to June. You see, so in 2 week spans is making moves. So it might ride one, and see, it used to be that SPY will hold for a whole month going in one direction. So people who was in there, they just be watching their money go either up or down, depending on their situation. But now SPY, and since I'm day trading now, which I normally don't be doing, like I told you, look at that. It did a swing down for a second, then went right back up to the 19th. So virtually from the 7th to the 19th. Again, about 15 days, 14 days, give or take. So is doing 2 week spans. So know what the asset is doing. Study it. Look back on the chart. See how it behaves. This is clearly, see, this is why people say if you hold your money in the stock market, it'll go up. This is 500 different stocks on the S&P. Look at the direction. This is why they're saying if you hold your money long enough in the stock market, you'll make money. That's why it's important that if you start trading early. If you start investing early, not trading early. Start trading early if you want to be a trader, but start investing early. There should be an account where you don't even touch it. All you do is just take a portion of your trade money that you win and you put it in that account and you don't touch it. You know what I'm saying? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The market could crash. So I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But what I'm saying is what I would do is, diversify. Don't have everything all in the market. Don't have everything all in real estate. Don't have everything in those cars that you flipping. Don't have everything in those barbershops that you got. Don't have don't have everything in the jewelry that you got on your neck. You gotta diversify. 5%, 3% here, 3% there, 5% here. You see what I'm saying? So don't have all your eggs in one basket. Mr. Cosmik Trading Academy, man. Oh, what I was going to show you guys real fast. Trading options. Listen, so look, I could trade today. And this is why I want you to know that you don't need to have $800 to trade. Look at this. Today, I could have bought a put, buy, put. I could have bought a put. Right here, $127, or right here, $188. I could even buy a put right here for $80. If you only got $100, you could have bought a put. Again, but you need to understand, when you playing this game like this, you don't have no room for error. You know why? Because theta is against you. You time decayed out. You got to make money, and you got to get out fast because it's finna close today. Let's say if you go to the next day, forget about it. Let's look at the next day. So say for what's we going for tomorrow. Tomorrow, it just went up a little bit. You got a little bit more room. But for that room, you got to pay a price. It's going to be a little bit higher. It went from 188 to 214. You see what I'm saying? And if you think it's falling below the 439, go down. Go down. Go down. You know what I'm saying? If you think that it's going to go up, then what you do is you buy a call. It's simple business. It's simple math. You know what I'm saying? You buy a call. So if you say you think it's going to go up, you go ahead and buy your call. So at 439, you say, oh, you looked at the chart and you think, oh, 439, I think it's going to go up to 450. Okay, tough guy. That's 440, 441. Where you at? What you going to do? Look at the charts and tell me what you say. You think it's going to go to 445? Fine. I'll take your word for it. What we're going to do is we're going to buy it down here, close at the price. Why buy way up here, 445? Because guess what's got to happen? It's got to get up there. It's got to get up there before you really start making some money. You see what I'm saying? We don't want that. You want to buy it at strike price right now. That's why, see, when I was first got in, I used to look at these cheap prices right here. I think it can go to 445. It's cheap. I want to spend 20. Listen. When you buying calls and puts, man, you need to be real. And you buying it close at the expiration date, you need to be on the share price, just above it or just below it, because you need to make money at any little move. So any little move, you need to be able to make money. So this is the share price right here at 439. And so what you need to do is you need to be buying here. If you're buying a call, you need to be buying here, you know, somewhere close to the money. This is the money. So close to the money, you need to be buying it. You know what I'm saying? Same thing if you're selling. If you're selling, you need to be buying either way, or if you're buying a put, I should say. If you're buying a put, meaning that you expect the direction to go down, you need to be buying it for right here or for right here. See, boom, there you go. It just dropped. It went past the 440 down to 39.92. So it's getting closer to the 39. I told you I believe it's gonna keep on falling. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so that's that, guys. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. I held y'all long enough, man. Cozmik Trading Academy, man. Train, travel, and trade. Like and subscribe if you're interested in this kind of stuff. If you like trading options and stuff, we do this all day, every day. It's nothing to me, really. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I don't have those super big, crazy $2 million accounts and all of that, $10 million account. No, I don't have that. No, I'm not. This channel is not for those type of people. I don't want to look at money just to look at money. I want to have experiences. You know what I'm saying? I do this for people who working at 9 to 5, but they want to get out of the rat race and they want to travel around, and they scared because they think they're gonna lose their creature comforts and not have. I do this for the people who really don't know what to do, but they just want to learn something that can bring them an extra few $100s, a couple, a month. You know what I'm saying? I do this for the people who may be working at a job that don't really pay that much, so they need to know how they can make a little bit of extra ends. You know what I'm saying? Look at my channel. All we talk about is hustle, because that's what I understand. So here it is, So I wish y'all all the best, man. We really trading in here. You saw it. We do it live. It's nothing, man. See y'all on the next one. Hey, if you got a question about something, shoot me a message. I do my best to answer it for you. All right? Peace.